Want to know who's sending you message requests on Facebook Messenger on your Android phone? It's super easy to check. In this video, I'll show you how to see message requests step by step. First, open the Messenger app. Tap the three-line icon. Now tap on Message Requests. Here you will see two panels. One saying, People you may know, and the other one is marked as spam. People you may know usually are the safe message requests. If Messenger thinks of a chat as risky to your safety, it drops them to be spam panel. But sometimes even safe requests can get sent to spam. So it's suggested that you check the spam menu from time to time. And that's it. Now you know how to check your message requests on the Facebook Messenger app for Android. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. For more Messenger tips like this, be sure to subscribe to the channel. You'll find plenty more coming your way. See you next time.